No one on this sideline. Anil. No. Raven, can you go on that sideline? No, after this one. Just tell your team also. Dublin Disc on offense. He's leaving. And a throwaway.
Nice defense!
It's a contact call between Abhikalpa and Nax. Contested call. Surya with reset to Abhikalpa to Suvi.
Nice! Look behind!
Nax with a score. First break for Clean Slate Surge. Score is now 1-0 to Clean Slate Surge. Watcher. Surya with the disc and a hook. And a hook to Suvi. And just missed. Clean Slate with another chance to break. But now they have to do it from their own end zone. Rohit with nice break to Harsha. PG with nice flow and a hack, and when it floats and it's out. It was a good flow till one bad throw. Apparently the disc is lost in plain sight. Anthony with the disc. Rohit poaching the in lane. Anthony with the disc. And a great break. Nice throw. Anthony with a hook to Abhikalpa, and Harsha gets the D. an opportunity to get their first point. Surya with the disc. And a score. Can't leave the small guy free. He will get the disc. Score 1-all. Score is 1-all. Abhikilpa with the pull.
If I feel there's a safer option, I'll tell you and you know. I don't want to
And a drop by PG. And Suvi gets the disc. Suvi scores. It's 2-1 to Dumbbell Disc Army. The ratio is now 4-3. 4 male matching players, 3 female matching players. Aparna with the pull. And a good break. As continuation. It was a good flow. It was a very good flow. But we got a D. Abhikalpa with the disc. To Suvi. To Aparna. Back to Abhikalpa and a drop. Nags walking up to the disc. Johan looks free. Arun. And another drop by Clean Slate. Abhikalpa with a hook to Arun. And he caught out. Great attempt. Made an attempt to throw the disc in, but was unsuccessful.
Good one, Suvi.
Nice reset to Johan. To Nags. Nags doing 1-2s and a huck by Nags to Surya. No defender in vicinity and score. Score is 2-all. We have our birthday girl with a pull, Richa, and a great pull. throw behind behind DJ. Clean slate looking for the break point. Navya with the disc to Suzy, to PG, to Richa. Great flow. Disc with Navya and a bit fast throw and a drop. Chaitanya with the disc to Suvi. To Abhikalpa. Chaitanya hugs to Shriya, but it's a drop. Clean slate again having a chance to break this point. Richa saves the disc. And a great D by Aparna. A risky reset and it's called down. Clean slate again with a break chance this point. Navya with a hug, but she missed a target. Abhikalpa to Anthony, to Shriya, to Anthony. Anthony hugs to Chaitanya and he gets the disc. Chaitanya puts it to Suvi. It's a connected pass. Suvi looking for resets. Suvi to Anthony. Anthony to Aparna. Aparna to Suvi. Suvi to Aparna. To Chaitanya, and it's a score. Great pass, great flow by Dumbbell Disc Army. Score is 3-2 to Dumbbell Disc. Clean slate on offense. Johan Pekam led us to Vatsal. Harsha hugs to Surya and connects.
Yeah, actually lost it.
Surya puts it out to Shikhar, but no, it's a bad overthrow. Chaitanya with the disc, looking for resets, but it's a throwaway. Throwaway. Vatsal to Surya. Surya looking for resets. Looks Johan. And Johan pushes Shekhar and it's a score. Great point by Clean Slate. Score is now 3-all. It's a very tight match. We have Clean Slate on defense. It's an opens point. Nax with a pull. and Max pulls. It's a good pull. Anthony with the disc. And a great save by Anthony. Anthony, great pass to Suvi. Suvi to Suryan. To Suvi to Anthony. Abhikalpa to Anthony. To Chaitu. It's called up. Abhikalpa to Anthony. To Abhikalpa to Chaitu. Back to Abhikalpa. To Anthony. And it's a D by Surya. Next puts a throw to Shekhar. To Arun. Is that a score? I think it's a contact call by Suryan. It's a contested contact call. This comes back to Nanks. This comes back to Nanks. Vatsal puts a hammer to Arun. And it's a score. A great pass. Score is 4-3 to Double Disc. They get their break. Vatsal to Arun. Hammer. We are back from halftime. Aparna with the pull. Ratio is 4-3. Vatsal with the disc. To Rohit. To Arun. And a bit of a throw. Vatsal misses. It's a throw away. Abhikalpa with the disc. To Suvi. Suvi to Abhikalpa, and it's a score. Or wait, it's a call. It's an uncontested strip call and it's a score. Score is 4-all. It's a very close game. We have Suryan here, one of the youngest
What?
in the tournament.
Huh?
Nothing. It's live.
Live is going. YouTube.
Yes.
How many people are saying?
I don't know. You can check on the phone. Clean slate on O again. Vatsal with the disc. And a hammer to Arun. And Arun catches it. Arun to Rohit. At the doorstep of... And it's a score by Arun. Oh no, it's on the line. But score. Arun to Vatsal. One hammer and the point is clean. The score is 5-4 to clean slate. The ratio changes to opens. We have Nags with the pull. And a good pull by Nags. You have Abhikalpa with the disc to Anthony and it's a overthrow. Clean slate with a chance to break and Nags hucks it to Harsh and he scores. A great grab by Harsha. Score is 6-4 to clean slate search. We have again Nags with a pull. And a good pull by Nags. Abhikalpa to Anthony. Anthony looking for cuts. Abhikalpa on the sideline. Centers it. And a huck, but it goes out. And goes out. Clean slate again with a chance to break. We have Rohit with the disc on the sideline. No mark on PG. PG gets the disc. PG to Harsha. And he throws away. Subi gets the block. Dobby to Anthony. Anthony to Abhikalpa. To Suryan. To Abhikalpa. Abhi gets the disc back. Abhi to Dobby, but Anil gets a good block. Blocked by Anil. Rohit with a great put. Nags running and just missed. A good put by Rohit. Abhikalpa faking. Abhikalpa, he sets to Anthony. Anthony to Abhi. To Anthony. To Suryan. Back to Anthony. To Abhi. Abhi fakes and centers. Abhi hammers to Chaitanya. Chaitanya to Abhi. To Anthony. To Abhi. To Anthony. And Anthony, I think, pulled his scarf. Surya to Abhi. To Surya. Back to Abhi. To Suvi. To Abhi. Abhi looks for deep and throws it. And a great catch. Great 100 catch over Anil. The Builders Kami scores. We have a ratio of 4-3 now. Aparna with a pull. Clean slate on offense. Navya with the disc. Navya resets to Johan. Johan back to Navya. To Vatsal. Vatsal looks for forward throws. Back. Looks for reset. Back to Navya. To Johan and Revan gets a block. Revan gets a great D. Aparna scores and Johan. Revan scores a bookends. Great point. Great break for Dumbbell Kami. Dumbbell Kami is back again with score is 6-all. Again we have Aparna with the pull. It's the same ratio, 4-3. Navya with the disc. To Johan. Johan to Nax. Nax looking for a reset. To Navya. Navya to Rohit. Back to Navya. Navya puts it up to Nivedita. Max with the disc to Rohit. Just few steps away from the end zone. Nax with the disc to Richa, and the birthday girl scores.
Let's go, Richa!
Happy birthday! The ratio is opens. Any 7 players can play, no matter the ratio. Vatsal with the pull. A great pull, reaches till the end zone, and Abhikalpa with the disc, looking for resets to Anthony. Back to Abhi. To Chaitu. Back to Abhi. To Anthony. Back to Chaitu. To Abhi. Abhi hucks it. And a contact call. And a contact call on Anil. It's a contested contact call. This goes back to Abhi. Abhi with a reset to Chaitu. And a turnover. Surya runs, Harsha hucks, and Surya scores. Clean slate Surge get their break. They go up to 8. The score is 8-6 in favor of Clean Slate. A good pull, landing in at end of the end zone. Surya with the disc to Aparna, to Abhi. Back to Surya, to Suvi, to Chaitanya, to Surya. A great upline pass. Abhi to Aparna, Suvi to Aparna. Aparna to Abhi. Abhi looking for resets. And a D by Shikhar. Harsha to Monk. Monk to PJ, but it's an overthrow. Number is looking for a fast break. Surya looking for resets. Finds back to Abhi. Nice save by Aparna.
Nice grab.
Surya to Abhi.
Aparna ka.
Abhi to Aparna.
Come on. Nice.
Aparna with a reset to Surya, but just missed. A great attempt. Disc with Vatsal to Surya. Another break for Clean Slate. The score is now 9-6 in favor of Clean Slate. It's a soft cap. So now it will be game to 10. Clean Slate on defense. It's a 4-3 ratio. Nivedita with a pull. Clean slate putting a zone. So cup zone. This was Anthony. Abhikalpa with a crash and a huck. And a drop by Chaitu. A good put by Abhikalpa. Clean slate with a break chance and to win the game. Navya with the disc. Nevi and DJ with a D. A good D by DJ. A much needed D. Abhi walking up to the disc. Abhi to Suvi and it's a score. The score is 9-7. Remember, it's game to 10. The clean slate only needs 1 point to win the game. Clean slate on offense, they need 1 point to win the game. Rohit to Navya to Nevi with a great catch. To Suzy to Vatsal. Vatsal looking for options. Looks Nax. Nax to Navya. Looking for 1-2s to Nax back. Nax with a hammer to Arun. And Arun scores. It's clean slate wins the game. Final score is 10-7. 10-7 to clean slate Surge. It was a very close game.